Hello friends, in this video again I am trying to define a recursion function with a different example, and in this condition just I'll find out the factorial of a number using a recursion in Python. We have done this in the recursion in C, recursion in C++. Now we are doing in C, like the Python, just to check how it works. So if x equal to 0, it will return 1, else it will return x into, because recursion is just a function calling itself. So fact is the function, and now it is calling itself from its own body. So x into fact x minus 1. So now I just run the function with the call the function. So I just say e equal to 1 plus 1 upon, this is idea because we know that this is the value of e is called the exponentiation, and this is a constant, and its value is 1 plus 1 upon 1 factorial plus 1 upon 2 factorial, like that. How will you find the value of e using recursion? Because I have to just keep on calling the value of, so I'm like the 1 plus this one, so I have to calculate the value of e. We know that the value of e lies somewhere between 2 and 3, and it's a recursion because 1 upon 1 factorial, 1 upon 2 factorial, like that. So let's see how we can find it out. So I declare a loop, because however e goes for the infinite terms, we cannot make it infinite. So we're making 1 to 300, and then I'll run a loop, and then it says that this is a variable which will store the value 1, because it is 1 plus 1 upon 1 factorial plus 1 upon 2 factorial plus 1 upon 3 factorial, like that. So for I in A, and then because it's going for 1 to 3, the val plus equal means val equal to val plus 1 upon, I'll call the recursive function. So 1 upon fact, and then let me pass I, because I is going to have the value from 1 to 300, and then 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 1 factorial plus 1 upon 2 factorial. This way it will store all the values. So let me just run. Here's one value equal to this. So let's see after running if it has some error or it is flawless. If it has some error, then we will calculate it. This one red line is seen, a equal to a plus this. Yeah, that is not required. Now everything looks good. So now see, the value of e is coming properly as 2.7182 something, and it is very close because I'm running the loop till 1 to 300. So means the value of the e is 1 plus 1 goes till infinity. So just subscribe.